Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about multidimensional arrays, part of programming in C course. In C, a multidimensional array is an array of arrays. Each element of a multidimensional array is another array. You can declare a multidimensional array by specifying the number of dimensions, followed by the size of each dimension in square brackets. For example, a two-dimensional array of integers can be declared as below. This declares an array called ARR with 3 rows and 4 columns of integers. You can access the elements of a multidimensional array using the array subscript notation. You can also initialize a multidimensional array at the same time of declaration as shown below. You can use a nested for loop to traverse a multidimensional array, and this example will print all the elements within the multidimensional array. It is important to remember that just like one-dimensional arrays, multidimensional arrays are stored in continuous memory blocks. The elements of the array are stored in row major order, which means that the elements of the first row are stored first, followed by the elements of the second row, and so on. Keep in mind that multidimensional arrays can have more than 2 dimensions. For example, this array is a 3-dimensional array with 2, 3, 4 that is equals to 24 elements. Hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching.